Hi, my name is Carl James, owner of Creole Soul Catering located in Round Rock, Texas. And on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to show you a traditional potato salad. Okay, let's look at our ingredients that we're going to need for a traditional potato salad. And we're going to start off with, of course, some potatoes. It's potato salad without potatoes. We're going to use a couple of hard-boiled eggs, some onion, some green onion, some celery, and we're going to add a little bit of red onion also into that. We're going to use some salt, some pepper, a little sweet basil, a little parsley, and then our dressing for the potato salad is basically going to consist of some mayo or sandwich bread, which I use, and a little mustard. So, this is our ingredients for our traditional potato salad. Let's start putting all of this together and move on.